3 eye makeup trends I would avoid as an ophthalmologist. Trend number 1 is waterlining. This is when people put eyeliner on the inside of their lid, and what it does is the eyeliner blocks tiny little glands on the inside of the lid that secrete oils. And if those glands can't secrete oils, it can lead to dry eye, it can lead to blockage or styes, infections, it can even lead to gland loss, which is permanent. Instead, I would suggest putting eyeliner on the lash line just underneath those glands so they don't get blocked. Trend number 2 to avoid: wearing eyelash extensions with glue. So you can see here, this is the person's normal lashes, and with the eyelash extensions, yes, they look beautiful, they look lush, they look glamorous, but that glue can cause a lot of problems. Eyelash extension glue can also block those little glands, leading to dry eyes and styes and permanent gland loss. The glue can contain toxic chemicals and it can even lead to loss of your natural eyelashes. Instead, I would recommend using a magnetic lash liner with magnetic lashes instead. That lash liner goes above those eyelid glands, keeps them safe. Trend number 3 to avoid: glittery eye makeup. These little glitters and sparkles may look beautiful, they may be eye-catching, but if they get into your eye, they can scratch your cornea. It can be very, very painful. It can cause eyelid irritation, dryness, and allergies, so choose something else.